Hi all, it's Miss Bensamani. If you checked out my YouTube video, you would have seen that I talked about, or you would have heard that I was talking about how I'm going to post weekly folders with to-do lists and different lessons for you to check off as you go throughout the week. So I'm just here to show you how to navigate those folders. Okay, so if you go up to courses and you go to language arts, I'll show you both language arts and reading. You should check to see what new folder is being uploaded each week. And I guess what I could do is label it, and I will do that from now on. Good idea. So this week, the newest one is this green one that says Competitive Sports Argument Essay Final Draft Material. Okay, so if you click on that, then you're going to see a series of PDFs that are lessons, checklists, and examples. And then at the end, you'll find a place to submit. So always start by reviewing the checklist, and hopefully that should be the first thing you see at the top. So the checklist is for the whole week. And like I said in the YouTube video, I just based on some feedback that I've been hearing from your discussions and from your parents and just knowing what your weeks have consisted of, what I'm going to start doing is posting a folder that with a week's worth of work, and you can work through it at your own pace. So if your family likes for you to work with it, through it with them, then you can do it at a time when one of your parents or guardians or siblings or whatever it is free to help you. Or just based on your own schedule, if you want to have one whole day of language arts and then you want a whole day of math, that is my nightmare, but that's up to you. It's just for you to balance it out. Okay, so if you look at the to-do list, you'll see a list of things to do before the last thing, which would be to submit your final draft to Schoology. So, the first thing is definitely to complete your outline, and then you'll see it says to draft your intro, draft your body paragraphs, draft your counterclaim, and your conclusion, and it tells you to see the PowerPoint. So if you go back to the folder, okay, so one of the thing after the intro was the thing after the outline was to do your intro. So if you click on Introduction Revision, okay, you'll see the PowerPoint lesson. And it looks a lot like how I did for Argument Letter. I just gave different examples, and I gave you tips for each. Okay, so please make sure that at the end you're definitely including your claim that you wrote out in your outline. Okay. Okay, so yeah, just make sure you're looking over each lesson, examples too. So if your body paragraph is basically just you copying what you wrote in your outlines, but if you want to see what it looks like written out, here's an example of that. And then make sure before you submit, you're going through the argument checklist, which just makes sure that you have everything you need that I asked for. Okay? All right, now if we go to reading, okay, and we go to the COVID-19 school absences lessons. Okay, this is the pink folder. Okay, so this week you're writing about reading, which is just like a write long. And in this folder you'll see a how-to. Okay, and that's giving you an example. Oops, I don't know why that's coming up. That's both giving you an example and different ideas of what you might write about. Okay, so you need to state an idea. There's a whole list of different things that we've worked on in class a lot, so I'm pretty confident you can do it yourself. And then it gives you sentence starters, and then finally an example of your favorite character, Squeaky. Okay, and then here you'll also see an organizer. Oh. Okay, I guess I'll just download that. The organizer is optional. It's just a way that you might use your time while you're reading. You can track how it is on here, or you can just track in your notebook. You can track using Post-it notes, whatever works best for you. Okay? And then finally, the Warline format. Okay, this is what you can use to either... It looks different when you download it, I promise it. You can either download this and handwrite it, you can type it up, it's up to you, whatever you want. Okay, and then that's going to be due on Friday. Okay, and you'll also find the submission box in here too. Okay, hopefully that helps you. If you had any more questions for me, please make sure you are RSVPing to our Microsoft Teams chat tomorrow. That's going to be a chance for you to ask me questions live. Or I finally figured out how to use my inbox, so I've been answering to those questions pretty quickly. I've also sent my Google Voice phone number to your parents if you want to text me some questions too. Okay, bye.